Hello everyone, my name is Raphael Lewis, leader of the National Coalition Party of Canada, the NCPC. At the NCPC, we want all Canadian citizens, permanent resident, anyone living in Canada to lead healthy lives. That being said, we need healthcare system that sustain this platform for all Canadians to lead healthy lives. We have been monitoring our healthcare system, and we all know the problem that our healthcare system has been consistently facing. Hospital beds are getting overwhelmed. People longer waits for hospital beds, which is causing even longer wait in emergency, in wait times. People waiting for surgery. It is a mess, not to say it's a disaster. Of course, something must be done about our healthcare system, but we need to take this on a different and more realistic and more practical approach, because we know past governments have been pouring money, billions and billions. That is one of the reasons why healthcare, this not working healthcare system, continue to cost Canadian taxpayers more and more and more. And in time, this healthcare system is getting worse and worse and worse. And Canadians are not getting healthier. Our healthcare reform platform is based on prevention. Prevention is one of the most effective ways to lead healthier lives. If we can prevent people from having cancer, we do a lot more benefit than giving cancer patients all sorts of drugs. And sometimes side effects of any drugs provide more problems, more health problems to those patients, causing them to take even more drugs. It's a vicious circle. And we all know that integrative medicine, scientifically proven, historically proven, has been a very efficient healthcare platform and system, not to say the least. So therefore, we know that it is a human right. Freedom of choice is a human right. And all we are going to achieve for each and every one, and we know that there's a number of Canadians that have been benefiting from the natural medicine. And we are a large, powerful community in Canada, nationwide. We have practitioners in every single province. We have colleges, we have experts. We are working with Dr. Grant and Dr. Sheila McKenzie. Those are leading pioneers. They are leading pioneers in the field of natural or integrative medicine, and they are leading the National Coalition Party of Canada Healthcare Reform Platform to success. They know a lot more than I do, of course, and we know the benefit of integrative medicine to prevent people from getting to the point where they go over-medicated. Seniors are getting over-prescribed, over-medicated, and which is costing more of your tax dollars in province transfer and drugs. Billions, 100 billions every year. Our system is getting more and more expensive, and Canadians are getting sicker and sicker. So we are leading our platform for healthcare reform to help prevent a lot of disease, a lot of illness, to help reduce the number of Canadians over-prescribed, over-drugged, taking more prescription than they should be. And by preventing all those diseases, we will reward you with tax rebate for leading healthier lives. Because when we have a system that is based on prevention, then it will cost us billions of dollars less. That being said, this is going to be more money in taxpayers' pocket, because at the end, when we save on all those funds, we will put the money back into your pocket. We will have more programs, more rebates, increase healthcare delivery system, and reward Canadians, reward patients for leading healthier lives. But for the most part, your human rights for freedom of choice, if you are sick, it is your human rights and your constitutional right to choose which form of treatment you know is best for you. Join us. We are leading this healthcare reform in Canada, and we have Dr. Sheila Mackenzie and Dr. Grant leading this mission with us, and they know, trust me, believe me, that they know exactly all the benefit of a healthcare system that is based on prevention, but not solely on intervention and medication. Because medication doesn't always work, and side effects sometimes may be lethal. Join us. Join Dr. Sheila Mackenzie, Dr. George Grant. Join them on Facebook. We have a network of experts. And if you go on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, you will find us. Google us as well and join us. All integrative medicine practitioners across the country. Let's join hands together to bring this healthcare reform into the objective of desired outcome of successful healthcare reform in Canada. Thank you.